Welcome to Mystic Glimpse Tarot. I'm MG. It is a beautiful day today here on the cove. Uh, so, figure do a reading out here today. Hold on. 1 second. Sorry about that. Thank you, Most High Creator, as above, so below, as within, so without. We ask for protection and guidance. We thank you for hearing our prayers. We welcome positivity and abundance. We thank you for removing anything negative sent to harm us. May it be returned tenfold. Ashe, Ashe, Ashe. Thank you, Spirit. Okay, whoever this message is for, the first card that I will reveal will signify you, your character. This is how you are perceived. The Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Whoever I'm speaking to, perhaps you don't feel celebrated. Perhaps it is your birthday and you don't feel celebrated. Whoever this message is for, a cycle has not ended, a cycle has not completed. Perhaps you feel, perhaps you're getting the short end of the stick in many situations. Whoever I'm speaking to, with the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Ashe. Behind that we have King of Cups. You can be very emotional. You could be full of feeling, whoever this message is for. Ashe. You could be any sign. Doesn't have to be your birthday today. Or maybe it is whenever you see this message. Empress in reverse. You could be a mother, a single mother, and you don't feel celebrated. Perhaps you feel stressed. Perhaps you feel like you don't have enough energy or emotions to spare for someone else. Whoever this message is for, this could be a message to celebrate yourself before you expect anyone else to celebrate you. Give yourself reason to celebrate yourself. Ashe. Present moment. Thank you, Spirit. What is it that the collective needs to know at this moment? Ashe. We actually have a few of them. Oh, excuse me. Sorry about that. I've decided not to take any of those cards. So yeah, it's just a mess. So we're gonna shuffle before we proceed. We're gonna take this one because this one actually wanted to come out, so it came out again. Page of Wands. It's present moment. You could have this spark, this inspiration. You could be embarking on a new journey, in a different direction. Something else that gives you excitement. Something else you have passion for has come to light. Ashe. Something you don't see affecting your present moment. Thank you, Spirit. Something you don't see affecting your present moment. Ashe. Temperance. You have an angel in your corner, whoever I'm speaking to, helping you balance these emotions. They could be a water sign, perhaps a water sign that is passed over. Angel, guardian angel, perhaps Archangel Michael. Excuse me, Archangel Michael, I'm hearing. You are protected. Hey, pull up. Let's see this. Something's in the water. Let's see what's happening here. These waves came out of nowhere. It was quiet. Sounds like a big something is in the water. That was pretty cool. It's becoming calmer, but Polo's about to jump. Polo's my dog. He's about to jump straight in it. He's fearless. I love that about him. He knows what I'm talking about. And he looked back like, yeah, no. Happiness. Perhaps you are fulfilled. As am I at this moment. Ashe. Okay, so you are protected. And perhaps that was a sign that yes, Mother Yamoja could resonate with you. You are protected. Ashe. Immediate change. Thank you, Spirit. You got the Seven of Cups in reverse. Perhaps you are certain on a situation. No more illusion on a topic or a person. or a place. You know what they're about. Can we get clarification on the Seven of Cups spirit? Ashe. Something you don't see. Perhaps a secret. Perhaps because we have the Hermit here, you've done some introspection. You've gone in seclusion on this journey. Ashe, confirmation, this motorcycle. And you've come to the realization. Why is the Hermit here in the Seven of Cups spirit? What has the collective realized? We have what is this? 10, 9 of Swords. Upright. Something keeps you up at night. Perhaps your eyes are opening to what stresses you. Something about the past. Perhaps you feel abandoned by this angel that now looks over you, an ancestor. And it is your birthday, and they were the person to celebrate you, and they are not here anymore. Perhaps you could benefit sitting in nature and just listening. They communicate with you that way, for sure. The elements speak to us. The animals communicate with us. My condolences to whoever has lost someone and feels abandoned. They want you to try and feel less abandoned because they are with you in many ways. We have the Nine of Cups. This is a wish come true. You are manifesting, waiting for, because you are this Empress. You know you've done this work. This emotional warfare, spiritual warfare. Ashe. Right. We got the Nine of Cups and the Three of Swords in reverse. Perhaps you see what breaks your heart, and you've come to accept it. And through this acceptance of pain shines a beauty, inevitable beauty, strength, This is a song comes to mind. Encourage yourself. Donald Lawrence. Sometimes you have to encourage yourself. Sometimes you have to speak your victory over yourself. You know, a little something. But try listening to that song. It is encouraging. To feel happy. A way to empower yourself to feel happy. Immerse yourself in nature. Listen to the elements speaking to you. Beauty is all around. Here. Close. Oh, there we are. I say, have a good day.